on the troops issue, it was the last troop. For what I'll say, that was the hardest guy I've ever seen. First of all, when we showed up and said, hey, dude, we showed up and basically this guy was just in his hut, chilling, you understand. After a few kegs of family, the guy was just chilling. And we came out and said, bro, you're not prepared, your guys are prepared, there's a second troop. I got my money on those guys, so. And the guy was like,
more damn cool. That's why I didn't have it. Have money with the don't couple days, stop.
You understand? He brought out one old mask and threw it on the floor and sat down and posed. And I was like, spread his leg. I was like, okay, well, and I've got my money on you, but this confidence is just too much. It's a little bit too much. So yeah, it was interesting. We talked to the guy and he said,
well, put on windows so Moko wasn't it? I don't know. Like I'm out of a queer metaphor, bird of metaphor. I can't make chickle and metaphor. I'm wasn't a fishy.
Okay, cool. Filmed him, asked him a couple questions. And this experience was it was incredible. Sorry, I have to cut. I'm talking too much, I'm going off. Thief language is expressive in a crazy sense, you see. From the way they talk, you could understand that that guy is being nice.
Bruh.
From the sounds come out, you're like, oh, okay, that's a cuss word. This guy is just an idiot or something. But then again, it was interesting. Interesting.